Hi guys, today we are making a delicious dessert in a glass with apple and cranberry compote and vanilla pudding. This dessert is perfect for the holiday season. So let's get started. Cube the apples and transfer them into a small pot. Then add the cranberries, the sugar, and the water. Now you want to cook the apples with the cranberries over medium heat until they've softened nicely. This can take from 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to mix once in a while so that it doesn't burn. Once your apple and cranberry mix has softened, you can remove it from the heat and leave aside. Now we are going to make the vanilla pudding. Add all of the milk into a medium pot. Whisk the egg yolks a little bit. And add about half of the sugar to them. Then mix again until everything has combined. And add the rest of the sugar. Now again mixing in until it's all combined, and then we can start adding the flour. Again, I'm adding just a little bit first and mixing in. If the mix is starting to look too thick, then you can add a little bit of milk to help you mix in the rest of the flour. Once you have mixed in all of the flour and your milk has warmed up, you can start adding the milk little by little to the flour egg mix. Here it is really helpful if you have a second set of hands helping you, but if you don't, you can do as I'm doing here, adding a little bit first, mixing it in, and then pouring in the rest of the milk. Now we want to transfer the milk mix back into the pot and on medium heat. And you want to cook the pudding until it starts to thicken up. And you want to do this while mixing continuously so that it doesn't burn or form lumps. Once your pudding has thickened up, remove it from the heat. You want to portion the puddings or the desserts right away when they are still warm, because when the pudding starts to cool, it will thicken up and it will be hard to pour in glasses. First, portion the apple and cranberry mix at the bottom of your glasses and pour over the hot vanilla pudding. Then sprinkle over a little bit of cinnamon if you like and decorate with some fresh cranberries. You can serve these puddings warm, or you can cool them in the fridge and serve them on the next day. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me that like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.